Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Back up your device and confirm OS version because compatibility matters. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging on Android, or check app permissions on iOS to permit location overrides. Install a reliable VPN and a dedicated mock location app, or use an emulator on your computer. These let you control both IP-based and GPS-based location. Make sure to grant location permission and set the mock app as the location provider, so the system will accept the new coordinates. You now execute the core steps. First, connect to a VPN server in the target country to change your IP-based location, because many services check both GPS and IP. Next, open the mock location app, pick precise coordinates or search a city, and start the spoof. Once active, set a sensible refresh interval and enable simulated movement if apps detect static positions. This helps avoid anti-spoofing flags. Make sure to test with a location-aware app to confirm both IP and GPS reflect the new location. You finish by verifying the change across several apps. Check maps, weather, and a location check website, and clear app caches if any still show the old location. If a service blocks you, try switching VPN servers, use a paid VPN for better IP reputation, or choose a different mock location tool because some platforms detect popular free solutions. Finally, when complete, disable the mock provider and VPN to restore normal behavior. And keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Inconsistent GPS versus IP usually means cached data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.